to Sweat Nation. So it is a bit of a gloomy day, not gonna lie. I thought it would be a perfect time to film or to go through a lower body mobility stretch routine. It'll take us about 20 minutes. All you need is a mat, your body. If you have some towels, you might need it to kind of put your knee down on. And we're just really gonna open up our hips, release our glutes, and just get our lower body feeling a little bit more loose and limber and mobile. So let's get into it. So first what we're gonna do is come to our mat. We're gonna push back to downward dog and then come forward into a high plank. And we're just gonna keep pushing through this, just warming up our hamstrings. Warming up our core a little bit as well. Good. One more. And as we're in this downward dog, we're just gonna pedal our heels, warming up our ankles a bit. Stretching our calves. Good. Let's do a couple ankle rolls. Good. Nice. Walk your feet up a little bit, closer to your hands. And we're just going to shift our hips to the right, to the left. Good. Take your hands, reach them behind you. Really stretching those hamstrings. Oh, we're gonna get into it today. Good. Hands on your feet, drop your butt. Good. Rocking back and forth, really stretching that groin. Good. Straighten the legs again. And hands on the feet, back down, shifting side to side. Good. Good. Straighten the legs. You're gonna walk your hands a little bit further in front of you. You're gonna walk your feet back. And you're gonna bring that left foot forward. If you did a tough workout yesterday, especially if it hit your lower body, you might feel that tightness on your inner thighs. So this is gonna feel really good. Good. Really try to drive those hips down towards the ground and turn towards that left knee. Good. Nice. Sit back, getting that hamstring again. Should have already been a little bit warmed up. We're gonna hold here. Should be a deep stretch, should feel a little uncomfortable, but it shouldn't hurt. Good, and come forward again. Try to drop your hips a little bit lower this time if you can. Nice. Let's kick that left leg up and back, and we're gonna drop that foot down towards our head. Nice. Good. Bring that foot down, pedal those heels, and we're gonna work the other side. Right foot forward. Drop that knee, holding here. If you want, turn towards that right knee as well. Good. and sit back, hamstring stretch again. Good. Come forward. If you can, bring that back knee back a little bit more so that you're getting an even deeper stretch into your inner thighs. Love it. Good. Come up. Bring that right foot up. And same thing, drop it towards your head. Good, slowly come out of it. Pedal those heels. And let's drop our hips down to the ground. If you want, you can look over your shoulder, get a little twist in your spine. Love it. Push back into child's pose, really spreading those knees, feeling for a stretch in your groin. Good. Slowly come up. If you have your towel, now would be the time to grab it. I just have 2 little dust towels, or you can fold your mat over. You're gonna have your left knee up. You're gonna grab your right foot in your hand as best you can. Good. I'm actually gonna time this so we know how long we're holding it for. Really try to sit up nice and tall and squeeze your right butt cheek. Breathe through that stretch. Good. 20 seconds in. We're going to hold for 45. Keep that butt squeezed. 10 more seconds. Bring it a little bit closer and release. Keep that foot and that knee where you are. You're going to take that bottom foot, you're going to kick it out to the side or that lower leg. You're going to bring your planted or your front leg a little bit out to the side as well, so you're more of an angle. And you're going to lean forward and reach. Good. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Play with your arm position. If you pull it back a bit more, you might feel a deeper stretch. If you pull it forward, you might feel a deeper stretch. So don't just stay in one position. Move around. Get used to your body, how it feels. 5 more seconds. And release. Nice job. Let's just come forward on that knee without the lean. And just hold here at that 45-degree angle. Grab a sip of water as well if you need one as you sit in this stretch. And come out. Woo! Nice. Really getting everything. Okay, other side. This time, right foot forward or right knee planted. Grab that left foot. Bring it to your butt, 45 seconds again. Remember, squeeze that butt cheek of the left leg. You should feel a stretch all down the front of your quad. Good. Try to maintain that balance. If you need to hold onto a wall, that's fine too. Twenty more seconds. Good. Try to get a little bit deeper in that stretch. 3, 2, and release. Okay, so same thing. Kick that lower leg out to the side. Kick that front leg a little bit out to the side. Lean forward and reach. 30 seconds here. Squeeze that butt cheek. Breathe. Play around with that arm. 5 more seconds. And release. We're just going to lean into that stretch on this diagonal. Good. Three, 2, and release. Nice job. You can put those towels away. We're going to come onto our butt. All right, we're going to do a little bit of a glute stretch. So you can do one of 2 ways. You can bring your left foot over your straight leg and then lean. Or if you want to get a little bit deeper, you can come down onto your back, keep that left foot crossed, and we're going to hold here. You can find that if you play around with the position of that cross leg, you could get a bit of a deeper stretch, but you should be feeling it all in that glute. If you deal with lower back pain, this will help as well to release that tightness. Good job. Nice, try to bring it a little bit closer. Really get a deep stretch in there. 5 more seconds. And release, good job. Shake your legs out. Other side, cross that right leg over. Pull it towards your chest. Keep breathing. Good, 10 more seconds. Get a little deeper if you can. And release, nice job. Straighten your right leg. Bring your left knee up to a 90-degree angle. Your knee should be directly above your hip. Keeping your knee where it is, we're just gonna rotate our lower leg internally and externally. Point is to make sure that the knee always stays above your hip. So you're not coming out like this. Really trying to increase movement in that hip joint. Good, one more time. Nice. Bring that knee in towards your chest and let it fall out to the side a little bit. You might need to move over with that left knee up. You're going to bring it across your body, and you're just going to open up your back. You may feel a crack in your back as well. Keep that bottom leg straight. Two more breaths. And come back. Whew, good job. Bring that left leg down, right knee up. Again, same thing, 90-degree angle. You can place your middle finger or fingers on the outside of your knee to make sure that it's not moving. Knee stays above the hip. 5 times internally and externally. If you feel like your muscle is cramping in your hip, that's okay, that's normal. Good. Bring that knee in towards your chest and let it fall to the side. Good. Give yourself a bit of room if you need to, and let's pull that leg across your body. Let that hand drop beside you. And just lay here, feeling a stretch in your glutes, feeling that twist in your spine. Two more breaths. And slowly come back to center. Bring both knees in towards your chest. Grab the insides of your feet with your hands and use your elbows and just push your knees out to the side. If you want, you can rock side to side. Or you can just stay on the mat like a little dead bug. Good. When you're ready, slowly release your feet. Bring your knees together. We're going to push ourselves up to a seated position. We're going to sit our hips back. We're going to reach for our toes. Try to keep the bottom of your legs flat on the ground. Get a quick sip of water if you need. You can play with your ankles and your feet. Sometimes you can feel a really good stretch if you point your toes and kind of use your hands to push your toes down. And then you can play and pull them up as well. From here, I like to swing into splits. So if you can't do the split, that's fine. You can just bring your back leg back and sit in this position and see how far you can bring this back leg while keeping contact with the mat. Or if you can, come into the split. If you want, you can practice just by holding yourself up, whatever feels best for you. So again, you can just bring this foot back, feel the stretch in your groin. You can hold yourself up, or if you can, come down into the full split. Good. Switch sides, so bring that foot forward. This side is a little tight. I kind of pulled a muscle, so I won't really be able to as well. Bring that foot forward. Let's reach for our toes again. Good. Shake out those legs. We're going to do one more stretch. Everybody's favorite. Going to bring your knees wide on your mat. Going to come down to your forearms. And you're going to rock back and forth. Good. coming back, pushing back, bringing those feet apart. We're gonna sit here for another 20 seconds, really getting a deep groin stretch in. Whew, okay. I feel so much better than when I first started this. I feel like I opened up so much tightness, or like release and loosen so much tightness that was happening on my inner thighs and my glutes and my quads. So I already feel so much more limber. I hope you enjoyed that. If you need to, go do some more stretches. If you feel like you can open up and release a few more things, please stay on your mat, do what you need. Otherwise, great work today, and we'll see you in the next workout.